Hey, Techno Studs, and when I say studs, I mean both students, and you are awesome. Thanks for joining me in these videos. So in this module, we're gonna go over Packet Tracer basics, just getting things launched so we can get familiar with Packet Tracer and start using it in our labs. We'll kick things off talking about different lab options. Packet Tracer is definitely a great option when it comes to labs, but it's not the only option. So we'll discuss a few of the other options that are available to you. Then we're gonna get into how to download and install Packet Tracer, how to navigate Packet Tracer. We'll get into deploying devices within Packet Tracer, start configuring those devices. Then we'll interconnect those devices so we can start some communication. We'll learn how to console into a device and start programming it. And then we'll also talk about crossover cables and when we might want to use crossover cables.